Hello everyone, welcome back to the Cyber Guy. So today we are going to explore the powerful capabilities of Nmap. So we've had a lot of videos about Nmap, but Nmap is so broad. So that's why from time to time we create a new video and we just discuss more of the Nmap features. So now, are you ready to deep dive into discovering hidden networks, servicing and operating systems using Nmap and Kali Linux? Buckle up and let's get started. Learn cybersecurity in no time. As you're well aware, Nmap is a free open source tool used for network discovery and security auditing. It is available for Linux, Windows, and macOS. So today what we are going to do, we are going to use a target machine to scan, in your case, so you can just use any machine that you have permission to scan. So if you are new to our channel, so if you look up into that video, you can click into that URL to download Metasploitable. Because in today's video, this is what we are going to use to scan as our target machine. Because it is very important for you to have a practice lab or a machine that you can use to just get your hands dirty and just practice. So that's why we always encourage you guys to use Metasploitable, because Metasploitable is a machine that is designed with vulnerabilities, so security professional and practitioners, they can practice. All right, so let's just get started. As you can see, I have two terminal open to console. So what we are going to do, if you type what is Nmap, it's a network exploration tool in security for ports or port scanner. So what we are going to do in Kali Linux, any tools, if you want to learn more about them, how they works, you just type the name of the tool -h or -help, and it will tell you all the cool thing that you can do. As you can see here, you can start, if you have a target machine, you can just, input file with -il, -ir, you can just use random target, list scan, do way more. But today, what we can do, we can just, we can try basic scan, Nmap and the IP address of whatever you wanna scan. For example, I can just put 10.0.2.4, which is the IP address of my Metasploitable machine. That I can just hit enter, and that will just go ahead and just scan, do like a basic scan. Now, this can may take a while, so I'm not going to just hit enter. And then this if you wanna like scan for TCP SYN scan, you can actually type nmap dash s, the small s and the big S, and then the target IP. If we had to hit enter right now, you can see you just do like that scan pretty quick. And then what you can do actually, if you want to do a connect scan, you can just type nmap dash st, and then etc. Now you get the idea. As you can see from here, you type the keyword nmap, and then the actual word, the keyword nmap, and then the actual variable, I can say, that you have to put the actual variable name. Yeah, and then what we can do today, because this is kind of self-explanatory, I just want to show you guys how this works. So what we are going to do today, many time what attackers do, or what you can do, for example, if you had to work in a red team, what you had to do, for example, if you know the IP address of that of that target machine, uh, you can actually do a lot of things, with it. How do you get the IP address? Is very easy. You can actually ping uh, a website, and then it will just return the IP address. And then with the IP address, many times, security practitioners, they often, do a scan to see, okay, if I were to use this as a target and try to find vulnerabilities, the first thing I need to do is to know what operating system they are using. So to do so, you can actually type nmap dash o, capital O, and then the IP address of the tag, and hit enter. You can see that it's going to just detect the operating system. As you can see, the operating system is a Linux 2.6.9. Now, the other next step is to see what are the services that are running into that operating system. So we can type nmap dash sv and the target IP. This may take a while, but I'll pause the video and be back once the scan is complete. See right here. So these are actually the services that are running into my Metasploitable machine. And the other thing that you can do, you can try to just evading firewall. You can just type nmap dash f 10.0.2.4, and then you can just go from there. And as you can see, if you look at to the left side, they have like unlimited things that you can do with nmap. It is amazing that the amount of things that you can do with nmap. So I will encourage you to go ahead and just try all this by yourself on your own. You see that you just put nmap, which is the keyword in the parameter, and whatever you want to do. That's it for today tutorial. Nmap is an essential tool for network security professional. So remember to use it responsibly and in compliance with applicable laws. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more network security tutorials. Until next time, have fun.